Hey, how are you doing today? I'm your factory trained service technician, Adam Newton. We're going to be looking at this 17 Tundra to find out how we can get more life and reliability out of our battery today. So let's take a look at how our battery looks as we see it as it's been through a little bit of time in our vehicle. We're going to have a little bit of dirt and debris on top of our battery, and a lot of people don't take notice of this. What the problem is if you take a voltmeter and look at your battery, when you do a voltage measurement across the post, not many people are very surprised to see that it has 12 volts, as it is a 12-volt battery. What most people don't know that is if they do not clean the top surface of their battery, the dirt itself can conduct electricity and create a contact across the terminals. This will create this science experiment we have developing here on our positive terminal. And a simple cleaning can remove this effect very effectively. So let's take a look. We just take a dry towel and some gloves, wipe clean our area here and break that circuit's contact across the battery here. And there we are. We can reduce that effect right here to almost 0 volts just through a simple cleaning. And this will prevent this corrosion building up on the terminal and create a longer lifespan for our battery. So we noticed in the first test that when we measured the voltage on your battery from the positive terminal to the case of the battery on the plastic, we had a 4-volt measurement here, and that is absolutely not what we're looking for. We want 0 voltage to go across the terminal of the batteries except through the electrical system of your car. It's much like the analogy of using a 9-volt battery out of the package. If you take a 9-volt battery out and drop it in a glass of water, you will expect a shorter lifespan out of your battery. Same thing with your battery in your car. You do not want a connection through the dirt across the top of your terminals. Even just the little bit that we have remaining where we haven't cleaned still shows a 9-volt reading. So everywhere that we can clean this and make sure that that connection does not occur across the top of our battery is every bit more enhancement of the life we have on this machine, on our battery here. So we get this down to near 0, and that's what we're looking for. So we want this top of the battery as clean and shiny as we can possibly get it. And remember, we can do this at home too, so this is your way to keep your battery clean and lasting as long as possible. We definitely want to pay a little bit of attention to our battery because it is the unsung hero of our electrical system, but if we don't take the right kind of care of it, it can become the king of your bad day. So thanks for your time and have a good day.